Hey everybody, Marjan here from Firefly Craft. Today we're going to make another super fun craft. We're personalizing stadium seats. If you've ever been to a high school sporting event, you know how tired your bottoms can get on those hard old bleachers. So today we're going to personalize our stadium seat to make it fun and functional. I've got some Elastic Foil silver heat transfer vinyl that I've already cut and weeded. I have a stadium seat here with a removable top. You definitely want to make your top removable when you're looking for a stadium seat, because if your stadium seat is not wider than your platens, then it will be hard to get a good press. As it is, I'm using a heat transfer pillow because of these really thick seams that are in the canvas. So I'll line up my design. I've already turned down the pressure on my machine because I'm using a heat pressing pillow. I need to leave some space in there for the pillow. Now, Elastic Foil is a cool pill. I'm going to run a glass over this. You can put cold water in it if you want to help it even more to cool down quickly.